Good morning. Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm out on the Willoway dock and we have some outstanding looking plants here. Let's take a walk through the dock here and look at these beautiful plants. Had to take a couple steps back here, so the guys are prepping this load, but I think you can see the value on these 7-gallon burning bush. Holy smokes, those are landscape ready. We've seen these on the last video and these are gorgeous 2-gallon barberry concords. Pulled out a few things here. So this is our new crop of Salix nishiki. And they're coming out of a trim, so they trimmed them back a little bit, but you can see that they're flush in growth, and they're going to look great here. And then next to them we have Ilex verticillata, and this is Mr. Poppins. So Ilex verticillata starts shipping out for the fall color here very soon. So here we're looking at Butterfly Magic, and this one has 3 colors of flowers in one pot. Next up here we're looking at our 3-gallon, this is Royal Family Holly. And this is Prince and Princess in the pot, so you don't have to worry about pollinators here. And these are gorgeous, 3 gallons. And then next to them we're looking at a nice block of 3-gallon Buxus Green Velvet. So here in the back here we have Physocarpus Little Devil, and that's a really nice plant there. They're starting to bud up. And here I got to back up to show you a lot of nice looking potted trees coming up. This one is Regal Prince in a 25-gallon. You can see the caliper is generous. Beautiful trees coming up in the background there. We're looking at bud and bloom 7-gallon hibiscus as well. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon. These are Alberta spruce. And look at that nice shape, nice consistent crop there, good value. So here we have a Physocarpus, and this one is Amber Jubilee by First Editions. And you know, it's coming out of a trim, and so it's already shaped up for you. And this one is flushing. You see that new growth. It's going to have that gorgeous hues of coppers and reds and oranges. Beautiful fall color plant, Amber Jubilee. Then here you can see the nice pallets of Endless Summer Hydrangea. And again, look at that gorgeous plant. So they're coming out of a trim. They've just got buds in them right now. And so that's going to give you a lot of nice shelf life. Endless Summer, 3 gallons. Very nice Salix here we're looking at, and this is an old favorite. This is Mr. Bowling Ball. Then I'm going to come over here and show you, this is Cascade Azaleas. Would you believe that is a 3-gallon? Nice crop of azaleas this year. In the background there's the 7-gallon PGM Elites, and nice full plants there. And again, another azalea to look at. Here we're looking at Karen Azalea in a 3. You can see nice consistency on the palette. Good value on 3-gallon azaleas. Next plant we have here is Calycanthus Aphrodite, and that's a Proven Winners selection. And you can see the beautiful, nice shiny green leaf to the plant. And it's budded up right now, so you'll see the deep maroon. It has kind of a spicy fragrance to it. And it gets around 5 to 7 feet tall, zone 5 hardy. So, you know, if you're looking for an alternative for a nice fragrant blooming hedge type plant, oh wow, this one would be your ticket. This is Calycanthus Aphrodite. Here we're looking at some 15-gallon Acer Blood Goods and some 10-gallon, those are Acer Tamiyukiyamas. You know, this is the time of the year they get a little bit of leaf scorch because we've had this hot weather, but they're gorgeous plants, nicely branched, good value there. Another big block of those 7-gallon Hydrangea Limelights. Again, they're all budded up, looking good. And we're coming down here, we'll see lots of Buddleia shipping out this week. This is, lo and behold, Blue Tip Jr. So on this palette here, we're looking at Deutzia Yuki Cherry Blossom. And this is a gorgeous pink Deutzia. And it has that really interesting, almost purple-like fall color and gorgeous pink blooms. This one is great either in a container or in the landscape. And in the background there you see the nice consistency to Calicarpa. And if you know, we have several varieties of Calicarpa, but you know, they're heavily in bloom. They're starting to bloom right now, and then they have that real deep purple pearl-like flower on them. So you can see here, I'm going to come in, they bloom up and down the stem, so you're seeing flower, you see buds on the branching there, and those are going to have some nice fall berries. Calicarpa. Here's a little better look at those 7-gallon PGM Elites. Beautiful plants. So here we're looking at oak leaf hydrangea, and this one happens to be Jet Trails from First Editions. And you know, oak leaf hydrangea, we have several varieties, but This is a more tight, compact variety, and you know, it's a 3-season plant. We got gorgeous spring flowers, a great, nice summer green, lush growth to it, and then the winter months, man, that bark starts to peel and adds a lot of winter interest. Try them out. Hydrangea quercifolia. These are jet trails. So here we're looking at perennial hibiscus. This one happens to be Midnight Marvel, and we have several varieties starting to come up now, and you can see they're starting to bud up there. They got that really nice deep maroon foliage to it. Let me see if I can show you the flower on this one. Holy smokes, look at that big flower. This one's Midnight Marvel. Hey landscapers, if you're looking for some landscape ready material, check out these 7-gallon Texas Hicks. Gorgeous white profusion, buddleia here. You can see all the bud and blooms, a lot of nice buddleia coming on. And here we're looking at our 3-gallon Bobo hydrangea. And again, we're shipping these out to you just budded up. So you can see there's a lot of nice buds that give you some color here in the week ahead. Good shelf life on these, great looking plants. Hydrangea Bobo. Here we're looking at Leucanthemum Banana Cream, you know, and they're just coming up, have buds on them, looking good. And then over here we got a palette of barberry, and this one is Crimson Cutie. So this is the non-invasive worry-free plant. Gorgeous full plants, good value. Crimson Cutie. Again, be sure to check out our pot and pot availability. We have a lot of nice container trees, and more to come. You know, they're starting to make root and make caliper, so you'll see a lot of those adding up. And here you can see the guys are prepping a load with these beautiful garden mums, and you know, I'll show you here, just racks of these things are going out, and they're going out with plump green buds. Again, these are loaded with color, guys. From the back side of this, I wanted to bring them down and show you, you know, the individual plants. So if you got these on order, I would definitely get them, because, you know, we're selling out fast, and you know, you want to get them in now. They got great shelf life, good value on these. Here we're looking at these are Salvia Marcus, and then next to them we have some gorgeous Echinacea. These are Purpurea Magnus. Again, hostas are starting to come on. A lot of nice perennials. Here we're looking at Sedum Lime Zinger. Here we have Coreopsis, Cosmic Eye. These are Big Bang. Then coming over, the Phlox. These are Grape in the Phlox Candy Store series. Dianthus is looking really good right now. And again, the Salvia is looking phenomenal. Grasses have been hot, and here we're looking at our 3-gallon Gracilis. So here we're looking at Sambucus. This is Lemony Lace from Proven Winners. Outstanding color on those. Nice texture plant. Here we're coming over to Plethora. This is another great summer bloomer. This one's 16 candles, so it's a much tighter, more compact plant. You can see the buds are coming out on them. They trimmed them up to shape them. Nice fragrant plant for summer color. Plethora, 16 candles. So here you can see they're bringing up some of our B&B material, and these are what we call quick turns. So these are our stock specimen B&B that we dug, and you can add these right to your container order. So be sure to check that out. It's in our availability with B&B. There's a Q and a code. These are gorgeous plants. Another peek at those Phlox Candy Store grapes, and here we have Allium, and this one is Medusa. You can see they're budded up nicely. Next to them is Coreopsis. Those are red satins. And we have some Monarda. Those are grape gumball from the Sugar Buzz series. And then here more of those banana cream. And then in the background, Stellas and Going Bananas. Daylilies are coming out looking good. A lot of nice buds to those. And then here's another popular one. This is Geranium Roseanne. So here we're starting to see the court cabbage and kale. You know, a lot of our fall season crops are sold, so if you got them, you want to get them shipped so you have an opportunity to get them sold early. We do a shaded program on mums, and you can see these beautiful cabbage and kale. This happens to be the quart size. You can see on top there, they're loading up the truck here to ship, but those are the Boxus New Gen Freedoms, very popular plant we've seen on the dock. And of course, holy smokes, look at all these ornamental grasses going out. You can see here more of the 10-gallon. I believe those are Tamayukiyamas. We have Garnets. And then here we're looking at 7-gallon Syringa Miss Kim. And holy smokes, look at that landscape ready plant. We're loading some carts, but I wanted to show you these 3-gallon Pennisetum Hamlins. They're flowered up here, looking good. Here I brought down one of the 3-gallon. This is Viburnum Carlesi. Fragrant viburnums have been hot, you know, and the guys have cracked the code on producing these beautiful 3-gallon plants. Check out our selection. Fragrant viburnums. This one is 3-gallon Carlesi. Wow, trailers are coming up to the dock here. Here we're looking at a whole trailer load of these beautiful lavender Provence. Nice color in the background is Nepeta, and then here we're looking at another lavender. This one is Silver Mist. Here we have some of the Hypericum. This one happens to be Red Star. You can see all of the Hypericum, the fruit starting to set on them. They're just loaded with fruit this year. We have some nice looking acanthus here. Here we have Echinacea. This is Purpurea magnus. And again, these gorgeous Nepeta. Here another load of those 3-gallon azaleas. You can see the nice shape. Those are cascades again. Very nice 3-gallon Flagella spilled wine. In the background there, holy smokes, look at the color. Those are Invincible Spirit too. So you see more of the spilled wine. Nice consistent crop there. We're looking at 3-gallon. These are Incredibles. Just starting to bud up. So they got a lot of nice shelf life on them. Beautiful full plant. Incredible. More Oakleys to look at. So Hydrangea quercifolia again is a multi-season plant, and this one has a gorgeous red flower. Again, this is a National Arboretum selection. This one is Ruby Slippers. So here we're looking at some beautiful 3-gallon Ilex Sky Pencil. Roses, you know, they during the split trim, as Jeff told us a few weeks ago in our videos. You can see here he's done a good job. They're just starting to crack color, so we got a lot of bud and bloom. Here we're looking at this is Double Red Knockout, and this one is Sunny. Nice color on the Japanese bloodgrass. Here we're looking at a couple more hibiscus. Again, they have buds in them, and so we'll see color here very shortly. That's a hot new one. That is Summer Grail from Proven Winners. And this is a new one with the plants at work. This is Summer Spice Amaretto. So next up here we're looking at more of the candy store phlox. And again, this is a new crop. We've had several of these crops go out. And this is the candy store Coral Cream. You can see they're starting to come up there. Got buds on them. Again, next to them, the lavender. You won't be disappointed. That's Provence. Here we're looking at our 2-gallon Carl Forester grass. You know, Carl Forester is a very popular plant. We got great looking ones here. And then next to them we're looking at Strawberry Sundae. This is a gorgeous 2-gallon plant. Here we're looking at 19-centimeter Hamlins. And again, all the Hamlins are plumed up very nice and looking really good. Here we're looking at some 19-centimeter Rudbeckia. This one is American Gold One. Bud and bloom in there is Coreopsis Zagreb. Looking at the Pugster butterfly bush. This one happens to be Pugster Pink. Short stature plant, just loaded with flower buds. We're going to come up through here. You can see Miss Violet. Gorgeous looking buddleia shipping today. Here we have a few pulled out. This is Minarda. This is that grape gumball from the Sugar Buzz collection of Minarda. Here we're looking at Little Bang Red Elf. Kind of loaded with buds. Coming over here, we have more of the Big Bang Coreopsis. This is Plumbago, bud and bloom right now. Gorgeous yellow flower there is Hemerocallis going bananas. Another great Calicarpa, and this one is the Proven Winner selection. This was Purple Pearls, and you can see they're loaded with flower buds, which means they're going to have a great fruit set to them. Calicarpa Purple Pearls. Here we have Hacknaloa All Gold. We have some Lismachia to look at here. This is Hacknaloa Oreo Variegata. In the background there we're looking at the variegated iris and these beautiful pugsters again. Aren't those gorgeous? Bobos are all over the dock here, and you know we got some great 3-gallons. Here we see more of those hibiscus, so those are the Holy Grail again. 19-centimeter grasses are looking very good. Dianthus Paint the Towns. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon Morning Light. Here we have a Rudbeckia. This is Rudbeckia Little Gold Star. And again, those are coming out. They got tight buds on them, looking really good. Candy store phlox. This is Grape. Again, similar to the other ones. Coming out of a trim, but loaded with buds. So if you got a project you're looking for hedging, you know, these Ibolium Privet are outstanding value. So here we have an order of 3-gallon, this is Blackhawks, and they haven't started to color up. You can see a little tinge of purple in the top, but these are really going to start to color up here going into fall with that deep purple-like color. Beautiful plants, Blackhawks. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon, this is Ilex verticillata berry poppins, and you know, typically Ilex verticillatas, they don't have a lot of berry to the outside, they tend to berry on the inside, but this is a great looking plant here that you want to get in your landscape to have that winter interest. This is a very colorful carex grass. This one is Silver Dragon. It has a very intense silver and green variegated foliage. Very hardy plant. And you can see the ferns in the background are starting to come into inventory now. Just don't forget those for autumn brilliance. Again, as you see there, it's going to give you a lot of nice fall interest. These beautiful silver dragon grass. More of the 3-gallon endless summer coming up, and this pallet just came in, so I was able to get one out to show you. You know, these have been on the dock for some time. We got a wonderful crop of these 3-gallon nest spruce. Fantastic plants. These are almost 7-gallon size at a great price. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. 3-gallon nest spruce. God, not looking over the top of this order here, and you're seeing anemone looking really good. The yellow color here is Ligustrum vickery. We have the gorgeous cotinus in the background there. Hibiscus lavender chiffon is just loaded with buds, guys. I just want to give you a little closer look at those hibiscus lavender chiffon. Again, look at all those buds. Well, these just arrived from one of the farms, and I wanted to show you the consistency on these 3-gallon. These are Rhamnus vine lines. Holy smokes, gorgeous plants here. You've seen these on the dock. You know, more grace grasses are coming up every minute here on the dock. This one is Shenandoah. You can see that nice airy plume to it, looking good. Here we're coming up with some more 10-gallon. Those are Acer Tamiukiamas. Nice specimen plants here, guys. Speaking of big plants, look at these 15-gallon. This is Thuja Fire Chief, and you know, the guys had those for trimming plants, and you know, we brought them out, and I'm offering them now to landscapers. These are instant effect. Trees just now coming in. Here we're looking at our 25-gallon Heritage Birch. You can see how nice and straight those stems are. Nice caliper to them. Good value. Looking at a few 3-gallon Fothergilla, and again another peek at those 7-gallon Limelight trees. Nice full heads. You can see they're budded up, looking good. So you can see they're getting this order ready, and it's got a nice amount of those perennial hibiscus. And again, these are Midnight Marvel. You can see the beautiful bud set on them. Gorgeous plants. Here they're getting ready with some more of those pugsters, and you can see all the bud and bloom on those. In the background we have some 7-gallon emerald green arborvitaes, some beautiful variegated miscanthus in 19 centimeters, and Mr. Bowling Ball. I think you can see the size on these gorgeous oak leaves. This is Alice in a 7-gallon. Beautiful. Well, that's full circle here on the dock today. I think we've seen a lot of gorgeous seasonal color and shrubs, perennials, and you know, beautiful landscape-sized plants to offer foliage, color, and functionality for every area of the garden. So be sure to get with our sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading this truck for you.